So hello and welcome to this demo of Deck Goes West. Today I'm going to be playing the solo mission New World. Now this mission lets me score points by flipping tiles, building railway and defeating bandits. I'm going to be playing Jake Wilder, following the setup on the back, so the resources and cards as shown here and here. This game is broken up into repeating day and night phases, so we'll start with the day phase, drawing up to 6 cards. Now I'm in a forest there, so I'm going to take advantage of these knives I have. And as you see, they have the job on them. In a forest, roll 2 dice for food. And since they both have the job, I'm going to do them together and get 4 dice like that. So I've rolled 3, that means I get 3 food. Now I'm going to use Jake's ability, discard a card to move 1 space. So I tap the card, discard a rookie trader, and I can move to this prairie. In this prairie, that means I can buy this cow. See, it says in a prairie, -2 food, and the top corner is where you buy it. So I buy that card, add it to my collection, pay the 2 food, and adjust the trade row accordingly. But I want to go further, so I'm going to use this boot card. It takes a food, and you gain 1 movement. So play this card, pay the food, and then I'm going to move onto this space here, finding out what it is. Oh, it's a mountain. Mountains cost 2 movement to step onto. But I still get the points for revealing the land. I flipped a tile and it is the furthest west, so that's 2 victory points I gain. But I still need to complete my movement, so I'm going to use this boot as well to get the extra movement to allow me to climb into the mountain. Now I've still got this pickaxe here, but in order to use it, I need to be on a mountain and discard another card. So I'm going to keep it for next round because I am on a mountain. Which brings me to the end of the day phase, so we'll go to the night phase, or as is shown on the mission card. First, progress the trade row. Move the bandit tracker. Next, everyone takes an E danger card. So it looks like I've got a hunger card. To get rid of this card, I need to pay a food, discard another card, and then I can scrap this card from my hand. Next, bandits attack, but there are no bandits on the same square as me. Then bandits move, but these bandits are on a bandit camp, so they're not going to move. So next we do bandits appear. As you see, we are in the 2 range on the score track, which means we roll the dice 2 times. That's a 3, which means I put a bandit on every star with a 3, which is that one. And then I roll an 8, putting 1 on every star with an 8. That one. That's the night phase over, so I begin the day phase by untapping my character card and drawing to 6 cards. If I didn't have enough, I would shuffle the discard pile into a new draw pile. Now I'm going to build a railway, which will cost 1 money, 1 iron, 1 wood, and discard 1 card, and then I can build this railway. Play the card, discard another card, pay the 3 resources. Actually, we're going to use the metal to represent the railway. And because I've successfully built a railway, I get 2 victory points plus 1 because it's the furthest west railway yet. Now, as you see, my resources are somewhat dwindling, and I still have a lot of work to do before I finish this mission. So the challenge is still on. Will I be able to do it, or could you do it better?